Hey Javanet, it's Koffeetie. Café Touba is a traditional drink of Senegal and is named for the city of Touba, Senegal, where, as rumor has it, it was born. Café Touba is made with Selim seed, which is a member of the Guinea pepper group and is hard or very expensive to acquire in the States. As you know, this channel is all about the budget-friendly ways to make gourmet coffees and such. Selim seed tastes like black pepper and ginger, so today I will also show you a poor man's Selim seed. All you need is a 50-50 mix by volume, black pepper and dried ginger to make a ratio of 4:1 coffee to Selim, meaning for every 4 tablespoons of coffee, you'll need 1 tablespoon of poor man's Selim. Because of the 50-50 mix of black pepper and ginger, Café Touba is also known as black pepper coffee. Today, we'll be using 4 teaspoons of coffee, so we need to make 1 teaspoon of poor man's Selim. To make poor man's Selim, all you need is half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground ginger. You can dry and ground this ginger yourself, but it's inexpensive to get it from the store. Just make sure that it's 100% pure, without any additives. A teaspoon, or in this case, half a teaspoon, in a small cup for mixing. Add the black pepper and ginger together in the cup and mix with your teaspoon until all is incorporated. And that's it for poor man's Selim. To turn this into Selim coffee, all you'll need is finely ground coffee, pour over and filter, a mug, your teaspoon, good water, and a way to boil it, and of course, your Selim. Start by mixing your coffee and your Selim together. And mix well until incorporated. Make sure you get the sides. Perfect. Now brew this with your pour-over. For an in-depth video on using a pour-over, I'll leave a link below in the description and at the end of this video. Ooh! There's a pick-me-up. If you've ever had Turkish coffee with cardamom, this is a very similar taste, but it's much more spicy. I definitely recommend that you try this drink because it is something extremely unique. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends because unique needs to be shared. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. I read all of my comments and look forward to hearing what you thought about Café Touba.